Hi Dream Pond friends, it's Miss Janine and today I'm going to show you how to make some fruit salad. Okay, for this work we're going to need a knife, a sponge, a cutting board. We'll need a bowl for later for mixing, and a wooden spoon or any spoon that you might have. We also have 3 kinds of fruits. Now I have grapes, oranges, and strawberries, but you might have something different and that is okay. All of the fruits that I have here have already been washed. So if you haven't washed yours yet, go ahead and wash them in the sink and make sure we get all the dirt off. So first thing I'm going to do is I still have my grapes on a vine, so I'm going to take them off. I'm going to need about 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can always eat these ones later, or you can choose to add them to your fruit salad. So I'm going to take one, and again with our knife we have a handle and we have a blade. The blade is sharp, so don't touch that part. Hold it with one hand, slice, slice, slice. And now there's 2 pieces. These 2 pieces can go into our bowl, and we're going to repeat that for all of these. Okay, done with my grapes. So now I'm going to move on to my oranges. They've already been peeled, so all I need to do is take them apart, just like that. Now you can choose to put them in whole because these ones are small enough, but if you have a bigger orange, you might want to cut it in half, just like that, okay? So I'll start taking the segments off. These are called segments. And I think I'm going to go ahead and cut these. And I'll put all of these back into our bowl. Okay, and lastly, we have our strawberries. Again, these have been washed, so they're a little bit wet. And this part of the strawberry here, do we eat this? No, we don't eat this, so we're going to need to take it off. And this can go in the compost. I'm going to collect them right there for now. Okay. With strawberries, there's also a part on the top that's just a little tougher, and we don't want to eat that part, so we're going to cut it off. This one's a little tougher to push a little harder. Okay. This part can also go in the compost. I'm going to do it for all 3 of my strawberries. Okay, now we can cut our strawberries into smaller pieces. I think these look small enough, so I'm going to put these ones into our salad. And do the same for this side. And for this one. Okay, let's put all the rest of our fruits in our mixing bowl. And then before we get to mixing, I'm going to use my sponge to clean off my knife, as well as my cutting board. I don't want to leave this dirty because with fruit juice, if it gets stuck on the board, it gets very sticky and very hard to clean off. See, look at all of it. Okay, and then this, we need to rinse in the sink, but we can do that after we mix. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this board over and bring our bowl into the middle. Using my wooden spoon, I'm going to stir it and mix it all up. Smells really delicious. Okay, now that it's all mixed, you can see that we have our fruit salad. Now, this is too big of a bowl to be eating out of, so I'm going to use these 2 small bowls here to pour some of my fruit salad into. I'll give it 2 scoops. And I have 2 forks. Now you can eat this by yourself, or you can offer it to somebody that you love. Would you like some fruit salad?